Hi, today in front of me Huawei MatePad SE, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one. By this way we can see that we'll just create a new home screen folder. If you want to add here more applications, just tap on the plus icon and select wallpapers which you want to add to your folder, then tap to done on the right upper corner. Now we can see that we'll just add the more applications successfully. If you want to just give a name to the folder, just enter the new one, tap on the name, enter the new one, click to done, and we can see okay, we'll just move it on the another screen. As you can see, we'll just successfully add a name, or we can rename it. If you want to move folder on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it to the left or to the right upper or to the right side. Just to remove the application from the folder, you should hold the app and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. If you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon. Also, if you want, you can just click to this plus icon and unselect the applications which you want to remove, tap to done, and now they just stay. We'll stay with only 2 applications in the folder. And if you wanna, you can remove all of the applications in one click just by hold to the folder and tap to remove icon. Also, we can select here another apps or just edit the icon, so renamed it from here. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.